Hello my bunnies, this is Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all another, I'm used to saying polymer clay tutorial, because I've done that a lot lately. Today I have for y'all a little something different. I just show you my painting process of painting one of my sculptures, and today I'm going to be painting this guy, this cute little dragon. I made this in honor of Pride Month, because June is Pride Month. And the base colors are black, white, and gray for the heterosexual flag because I am straight. And then to show my support and love for the LGBTQ community, because a lot of my friends and family are gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender, asexual, which is all great because I'm happy that everybody gets to be who they want to be. I wanted to show that representation of pridefulness and thankfulness of who they are by incorporating rainbow colors just splashed all over. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Splashed all over the black, white, and gray dragon here. So his heart is brushed to mica powders, and then the spots on him are brushed or polka dotted with black, white, and gray. You can see them hiding under the paint splatters. The paint splatters, I just took a very sturdy paintbrush and I just kind of flicked my finger back and forth to make that kind of design, which is a splatter technique for a lot of abstract type art. And I think he just came out so adorable, and he's got a cute little side smile. And I did a sitting position just like I did with the pink dragon, which is back here, because my desk has not been cleaned off in a long time. I'm really into the sitting poses right now, and I just think they're like as cute as can be, because they're just kind of like hunched down like they're sitting, and I just think it's the cutest thing ever. And I really like the dragons. I hope you guys enjoy this video, this process of me doing painting. I'm sorry for my hand coming in the frame sometimes, or being out of frame, or shakiness, or anything like that. It's very hard for me to record while I'm working, because I have to sit at this desk back here, and this tripod has to sit like right here at a really weird angle, so I know the video is a little weird in some spots, but this is the best possible quality I could give you guys. I hope you enjoy this, I hope you enjoy the music, and I will see you guys in my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys there. Bye-bye, my bunnies. Alright, so to get started with this video, we're going to start with the neutral colors first. And the neutral colors is what I'm going to use to do the polka dots that you saw on the dragon. So it's going to be here, it's going to be on the ears, on her head, on her back, on her tail, on the interior part of her tail, if I can get the little dotting tool down in there. Maybe on the wings, maybe on the thighs. I haven't quite decided that yet. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the smallest dotting tool out of this little handy kit that I always use. It's a nail rubber tool thingy for dotting and decorating your nails. So what I'm going to take is the one that's obviously the most used, because it's the one that's the dirtiest. It is the smallest tip that I have besides a pointed tip that's not quite a ball. And I'm just going to use this to do the spots, and we're going to start with one color, then go to the next, then go to the next. And, sorry, let me grab a paper towel. I won't have to stop the video here, so I will do one color, wipe off the little tip with the paper towel, then do the next, then do the next. So let's start with the lightest color and then go to the darkest. So we're going to start with white. And I'm just going to lay over some music here while I'm working. the black. So let's go. Next, we're going to do her feetsies and give her little toesies and little pats of the feet, little palms on the feet. So we're going to do white, the tip of the center of the toes. That's too much white, like that. It looks like that on this side too, but you kind of can't tell from there. There you go, you can see it now. Then I'm also going to take white and do a big circle on the bottom of the feet. Kind of a circle. Then do it on the other side too. Alright, now we're going to pull this hair off her arm. And then I'm going to do the little dots. And, oops, my bad. And the gray and the black again. So, let's do the black, because I already got it open. Then we're going to do the gray. Then after we do this, we're just going to let it dry. Ooh, I almost stuck that in the wrong one. There we go. Now we're just going to let all that dry. And then we're going to do the rainbow color splatters, so I'll see you guys then. Alrighty, now I'm going to splatter randomly all the colors of the gay pride flag onto the dragon itself, but I'm going to have to do it one, stop the film, and edit into the next part, because I don't really have a cup that I can put water in to clean out the brush, so I'm going to do one stop, one stop, one stop. So, I'm going to lay some music here, and I hope y'all enjoy. I'm going to stop it right quick so I can kind of like focus on the splattering, and then I'll get back to you when I've finished the purple and moving on to the blue. Hey, I'm back. I did the blue already. I tried to record it, but it did not record successfully. So here is the blue splatters all over the dragon. And then I'm going to record all the other colors, and I'm not going to talk over the other ones. I'm just going to have the video going with music. So I hope you guys enjoy. Sorry about that part.